Hey guys, it's Karen Miller. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the passive affiliate system review. This is, to date, the best Clickbank product that I have done a review on, so you're going to want to stick around until the end and listen to this whole entire video because it's going to help you to make a full-time income over the internet. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews like this. Just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the passive affiliate system review. And as I said, I do a lot of Clickbank product reviews, but this is by far the best that I have found, and I've done a lot of reviews. So what exactly is the passive affiliate system? Again, it's a Clickbank product teaching you how to start or grow a YouTube channel. Specifically, how to find affiliate products that sell, because that's a problem for people. They have YouTube channel and they're not making any sales. How to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. That's another problem people have, is that they don't want to show their face. So this takes care of that problem. Also, how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in a short amount of time. And that's another problem that people have, is they have a channel but they don't have any subscribers, or it's just growing really, really slow. Who is the creator of this product? It's Andy Haffel. I think I spelled his name wrong there. Yes, there's only one F in it. But anyway, he's a very successful internet marketer. He practices what he preaches. He just got back from 6 months of traveling, and that's all because of YouTube and this passive affiliate system. You're able to put up videos and they pay you passively, and you can go do what you want. Not to say that there's no work involved, but we'll get into that here in just a minute. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is inside the course before we get into the pros and the cons. So I do own this product, and the reason that I bought it, well, I was doing a review on it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like an incredible product. And then once I got into it, it was even better than I thought. So I'm highly recommending this course to you. But the reason why I bought it is I have had a YouTube channel for over a year, but I wanted to be able to make more sales, get more subscribers, more views, get more money through Google AdSense. So that's why I purchased this program. That's exactly what it's going to show me how to do. But it's a 6 weeks course. He's going to show you some really great tools. Like one of the tools in there will save you tons of time, and that's the problem that people have, just going through learning or different tasks that you need to build a business. And these are tools that are going to help you save tons of time. And then just an overview of the passive affiliate system. He's going to show you how to find the right niche and the right affiliate program, because you don't want to find affiliate programs that are just going to pay you just a few dollars. You want to find those ones that are really going to pay you good money so that you can make a full-time income doing this. I mean, if you're selling Amazon products, that's okay, but if you want to make like a $2, $3, $5 sale per commission, that's okay. But we're talking about life-changing income that you can actually replace your job. So he's going to show you how to find those affiliate programs, products, how to get your next 30 videos, because that's a problem that people have, is like, what kind of content are you going to put up? I don't know. So he shows you exactly how to do that. You're never going to be without an idea as far as what you're going to do for your video. He's going to show you keyword research. Then he's going to show you how to optimize your channel, create a curiosity-based channel, your banner, your logo, making the channel live, your subscribe link, all those things, and then your money funnels. That's the most important thing, because you can make money through Google AdSense, and that's fine. But when you can add affiliate products in your money funnel to your videos, then that's where you really make the life-changing income. But the great part about this, and that one of the reasons why I got this program, was because you don't want to be spending all your time doing YouTube videos, and that's what I'm currently doing. But I want to learn more the passive affiliate model, where you can outsource this work. Of course, you're going to have to do some work, but he's going to give you this video script, the 10-minute video, the narration voiceover. You don't even have to do it yourself. The PowerPoint slides, how to video edit and voice edit, how to do your titles and thumbnails so that your videos will get seen, because you can have all these videos out there, but if they aren't seen, then you're not going to make any money. And same thing goes with the description and tags. That's really, really important. And then some people have a YouTube channel and they don't have hardly any subscribers. So he shows you the snowball method of how to get 0 to 1,000 subscribers, and you can do that in 30 days. And how to outsource the whole entire thing. You can have several different channels. Of course, you just want to start with one and get that successful first, but you can outsource this and have several different channels bringing you in money. And he shows you exactly how to outsource everything. And then how to set up your money funnels, meaning like you're going to have a link in the description below your video to some affiliate product, and how to get that set up, how to get people to go through that funnel, how to build the website, make it live, your ClickFunnels funnel, and excuse me, hooking it up to your autoresponder. So all those things together are going to help you to make money. And I'll have to say he put this together really, really well. I just going through here, I'm through this part of it here. I've gotten so many great ideas already. I'm super excited to even go through the rest of it, and I can see how this can create a full-time income. So that's just a basic overview of the course. I'm going to share with you what I think the pros are of the course. There's a lot. I could hardly fit them all on this slide here. First of all, it's low cost. It's going to be under $300 for you one time. Money back guarantee because it's a Clickbank product. Just think about this, like one video can pay you for years because all your videos are going to be out there. The other day I woke up and I had made over $700 while I was sleeping. My videos are out there. They're creating sales for me while I'm out doing something else. Not to say that I don't put work into it initially, because you'd have to do that, but those videos are out there creating income. And you can create multiple channels. So once you get one channel going, then you can get an idea for another passive affiliate channel. Then you do that with another niche, a specific niche, and another affiliate product, and then you start making money with your other channel. Also, you don't have to show your face because a lot of people don't want to show their face on camera, so this is a solution to that. And you can outsource all the work, so you don't have to be spending a lot of time in front of the computer. Also, you can make a full-time income because this is a long-term strategy, and I don't want you to think like I'm going to go into here and make tons of money right away, because you have to get your videos out there, you have to get your channel going. But let's say you just put in a year's work. That can set you free from a job for sure. So you can make a full-time income, and he can review your channel, and he's done that inside the Facebook group. In the files, there's a lot of different videos where he goes through people's channels and tells them how they can improve, so that can help you as well. He can review your channel. I think it's newbie friendly because you can be starting from scratch, and that's where everyone started at some point. There's no recruiting. A lot of people hate recruiting. So this, you don't have to recruit. It's just you're making videos, you're making sales passively through affiliate products. There's a lot of student testimonials, and when I was going through the webinar, I was like, oh gosh, I know these people, and I was wondering why their channels were starting to do, a lot better. And so it's really neat to see that these are his students as well. And I know these people, I know that that's what they're doing. I wanted to share with you, I'm on his email list. This was a really, let's see, I got this yesterday. One of his student testimonials. He said, let's say Mark was a person that joined, and Mark was doing client work, blogging, SEO, and a lot of social media before, and he wanted to stop it all and focus 100% on YouTube. In 3 months with my coaching, he went from 200 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers. That's in 3 months, and about 1,000 to 2,000 views daily. But he wasn't making money, and I thought that was really weird. I went through his channel and saw he did everything right, but he was only posting one type of video. This one type is made to get as many views as possible. So I taught him my second favorite type of video template. It's based on a sales pitch I learned from my favorite copywriter, a way to sell without feeling like you're selling, and your audience likes it too. You can go viral, meaning YouTube will take your sales pitch and spread it around. Yes, one of my videos has over 150,000 views and makes me $50 to $60 a day passively. Don't lose your It doesn't lose your audience's trust like many sales video templates. So then Andy made a personal video for him teaching him how to do this without feeling like a salesman. 24 hours later, he had already made $100. Day after that, another 100. Day after that, another 100. Literally every day after I taught him this, he's made anywhere between $100 to $200 a day. And so that's somebody who had been struggling for years online. So that is a really, really inspiring student testimonial that he shared yesterday. You can use this strategy to promote your primary business. So let's say your niche you choose is make money online. You can be doing these videos, and then in the description below your video, have a link to your primary business. You build your email list, and people will join you that way. I mean, I've done that over and over again. And then you get great support with an active Facebook group. And Andy is active inside that Facebook group, and he answers questions. Other people who are students longer, they will answer your questions as well. So it's just a great place to get the kind of support that you need. So that doesn't happen in a lot of Clickbank products. You just have like an email support, but there's actually a group of people that are doing this. You can learn from them. You can see their videos and learn. So then let's see, we're talking about also Google AdSense, because we're not just relying on Google AdSense, we're relying on making sales through affiliate products passively. But another added pro is that when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Partners Program with YouTube. You don't want to rely solely on this, but it's a great other way that you get passive income. This is just, since the beginning of March is when I got approved. So this is not a whole month. So I'm averaging like $500 a month just from people clicking on my ads. So last month I made just a little over 500. Today is the 12th of October 2019. And so far this month I made $192 just by people clicking on my ads. That's not even, I don't think, that's like a 2-day delay or something like that. It's not through yesterday. Or maybe, no, it isn't. It isn't through yesterday. So that's another pro of this. And people come to me all the time wondering, like, how can I make money online? And I show them this. It's like, just do it and apply it. YouTube is so powerful. I can't even tell you. I've made tens of thousands of dollars through YouTube affiliate marketing, and I struggled for years. So if I can do it, anybody can do this, I promise you. And again, this is just something I'm adding to my channel, but I wanted to share it with you because it's such a great product. So I didn't even have any cons of it, but just some considerations. You're going to have to go through the training and implement it. There's no other way around it. People come to me and they're like, I don't want to do anything and I want to make tons of money and I don't have any money. So it just doesn't work that way. And you're going to have to learn some technical skills. And the thing is, when people say, I don't know how to do this, I'm like, well, can you learn? I mean, you have to learn and grow to be able to replace your income. There's no other way around it. But it's not difficult at all. I mean, I'm not technical at all, but I've learned these things over time. And the other thing is, if you want to outsource, you're going to need a little bit of capital to start with. But Andy shows you how to reinvest that back in, so you're really not putting that much out. It's just, that's to get your time back. You don't want to be sitting here in front of the computer all the time, but you do want to be making that money. So how do you get started creating a full-time income on YouTube with the passive affiliate system? You're going to click on the first link in the description below this video to watch the webinar. It's going to take you to a page right here, and you're just going to sign up for that. It's an incredible webinar. It's going to open your eyes to the possibilities with this, and really, I think, give you the confidence to know that you can do this, because I think the hardest thing that people have is like believing in themselves that this is something that they can do. Because a lot of people join network marketing businesses or affiliate marketing businesses and they don't like recruiting, they don't like selling, but this is totally different. And I think it's going to help you to have that belief in yourself that you can finally earn a full-time income and do that for years to come. And if you're ready to if you don't want to watch the webinar and you're just ready to get started right now, message me on Facebook and tell me that you're ready to get started making a full-time income on YouTube. this is my Facebook link. I'll leave that in the description below the video as well. And then I can just send you the link that you can sign up and get started. So again, I highly recommend this. I just as an extra stream of income, even if you have something else you're doing. But in order to make a full-time income, I think you're going to need this kind of guidance. So hope you guys found some value in this passive affiliate system review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, if you want to get started, click on the first link in the description below the video. Also, if you need to contact me, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. You can text me with a quick question if you need to. I have my phone number down there. So with that being said, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, I look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group. And this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.